nature bound. That is simply how to be 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 nature bound. Wow, 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 nature bound. That is simply how to be nature bound. How about that natural sound? Futuristic trance, so dance all around, going around that block we walk. It's nature bound. It's almost 3 o'clock. Can still feel love breeze. See that wind dancing on the trees. It's nature bound. It's nature bound. It's nature bound. Can see it in the sky above, soaring like a morning dove. Nature bound, like a tree. So much love. Nature bound. That's simply just how to be. What's on your mind? What's on my mind? Anyway, nature bound. And musical sounds. See, usually I'm nature bound. That is simply how to be. Time to shine, that's because nature is divine. So just living with a natural high, the vibe sublime. Loud and high, and to my surprise, people love creative things. One quality I hope these people get is simply being nature bound. To my sweet well of natural mystery, as day turns to night, stars and moonlight, right with the wisp of the wind. It's a kind of serene feeling. You get what happens exactly when you're nature bound. As it's just how it's supposed to be. To be nature bound. Nature bound. That is simply how to be nature bound. That is simply how to be nature bound. That is simply how to be nature bound. It's almost 3 o'clock. Can still feel a breeze. See that wind dancing on the trees. It's nature bound, can see it in the sky above, soaring like a morning dove. Nature bound like a tree, so much love. Nature bound, that's simply just how to be. What is on my mind anyways? Nature bound and musical sound. See, usually I'm nature bound. That is simply how to be. Time to shine, that's because nature gets the vibe. So just living with a natural high, the vibe's sublime. Loud at times, and to my surprise, people love creative things. One quality I hope these people get is simply being nature bound. To my sweet well of natural mystery, as day turns to night, stars and moonlight, right with the wisp of the wind. It's a kind of surreal feeling. You get what you have, and what happens exactly when